टू गोवा न्यूज नाव फ्रेंड्स आयज आसा आमी वेर्ना प्लायटेवचेर आनी म्हाजे फाटल्यान आसा ते देवा फुलाच्यो खोरीसत आनी आयज म्हाजे फाटल्यान तुमी पळोवंक शकता इट्स द विलेजर्स ग्रुप फ्रॉम वेर्ना लोटलीम नुवे आनी सरावंडींग विलेजेस ऑफ वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट सगळे हांगा जमलेले आसा टू अपोज दी प्रपोज गार्बेज प्लांट proposed by the solid waste management corporation. सगळ्याचे म्हणणे आसा की हे जे 32 springs आणि there is a lake which gets water from all these springs and other sources that would be polluted, plus the villages will be and others will be led to suffer. म्हणून सगळ्याचे ऑब्जेक्शन आसा आणि they today have demanded that the project should be scrapped. लोकांनी कितें म्हणला आफ्टर दिस?
It's over here. Okay, this amounting to around 1 lakh square meters. So the water is going through. There are some villagers over here whose houses are over here. There is a village over here which is in the proximity of 300 square meters.
My house is down.
Down over here. He's
I
one
have
of
two
them.
springs in my property.
Two springs, huh?
Yeah.
And the water goes through the Zuari over here from this side, because this is a slope. You all can see the slope. And then there is more this side. If the water comes here, Omlur Lake. Okay, this lake is connected to River Sal. So in both, you all want to spoil two rivers. It's this type of plant should not come anywhere.
योकार आणि नमस्कार. आयज तुमकां खबर आहा ह्या जाग्यार आयज सगळे जमिल्ले आहा नुवे, वेर्ना, नागवा आनी लोटले रेजिडेंट्स आनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी. ह्या जाग्याचेर गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन हांणी एक प्लांट प्रपोज केल्लो आहा 250 टन्स पर डे विथ 20% बफर, 150 टन्स पर डे बायोमिथनेशन प्लांट आनी प्लस 150 MRF हो असले स्केलीचेर हो प्लांट घालपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आहा. स्थानिक लोकांनी आनी हांगा जे पळय रेजिडेंट्स आनी कन्सर्न सिटिजन्स आसा पळय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीतले हांणी हाचेर निशेध केल्लो आनी 2022 ताची ही चळवळ सुरू आसली. म्हणटकीर आयज परतून सरकारान एक गोवा स्टेट एक्सपर्ट एप्रेजल कमिटी म्हूण काडिल्ली आहा. तांचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंटेशन गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटांतल्यान पावल्लें आहा आनी तांणी सिरियस कन्सर्न रेज केल्ले आहा गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशना कडेन की लोकांचे मागणी आयकून घेवपाचो हक्क आसा आनी इट इज अ सिरियस स्टेप्स वीच दे कॅनॉट बायपास म्हणून तांणी परत सरकाराक बरयल्लें आहा. आनी हाचेर तांणी सर्टन ऑब्जर्वेशन्स केल्या की पब्लीक हियरींग सेकंड टायम जावपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना पळय फायंड आवट केलें की तांणी सरकारान पब्लीक हियरींग केन्नाच करूंकूच नासलें. म्हणटकीर हो जागो पळय आहा तो एक असलो इकॉलॉजिकली फ्रेजायल प्लॅट्यू की हांगा मोर दॅन 32 springs and waterways percolate जावन is acting as a aquifer, and this aquifer is supplementing water to Amlor Lake, and Amlor Lake is supplementing to River Sal. River Sal ही एका रिपोर्टान हांवें वाचलां की this is a indigenous river. दुसरे कडेन तुमी जाग्यार पयले आसतले स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सी, बट ही हांगाच्यान विलेजींतल्यान स्टार्ट जाता रिवर साल, अँड रिवर साल नॅविगेट्स अँड कट्स टू ऑल द विलेजीस ऑफ सालसेत, सप्लिमेंटींग वॉटर टू लायव्हलीहुड्स, एग्रीकल्चर अँड वेजिटेशन. म्हणजे असल्या जाग्याचेर हे प्लांट हाडून डिजास्टर करप म्हणजे हें सारकें ना. म्हणजे आयज हांगा आमचे मदीं आसा वेर्नाचे, नागवाचे, लोटलेचे एक्स सरपंच, प्रेझेंट पंचीस आनीक बरे एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट लायक झरिना, एक्टिविस्ट फ्रॉम लोतोली, आरविंद, पयलींचे सरपंच आसा, प्लस एक्सपर्ट्स लायक मिस्टर जॉन फिलीप हांणी सगळ्यांनी हातूंत पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आहा. आयज हे प्लांटाचेर निशेध करपाक आनीक एपील करपाक सरकारा लागीं की बाबा हें तुमकां तुमचे दोळे ओपन केल्ले आहा. गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे दोळे ओपन केल्या कोणें? गोवा स्टेट एक्सपर्ट एप्रेजल कमिटीन, की हे लोकांची मागणी आयकून घेवपाची गरज आसा म्हूण, आनी वी कॅनॉट बुलडोज द प्लांट इन द व्हेरी नाटशलान तांणी तांकां कळून दिल्लें आहा. तरी आसतना सरकार आपली घमंडी दाखयता की वी आर व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट म्हणटा कोण? गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, की We are going to bring state-of-the-art technology and new guidelines. With this, they are showing their resolve and their determination. घमंडी दाखयतात जी की आमी प्लांट हांगा हाडटलेच म्हण. तर लोकांचो एक हें आसा की सरकार तर अशी घमंडी दाखयता जाल्यार सरकाराक दोळे उक्ती करून दाखोवपाची लोकांकूय हक आसा. म्हणटकीर हे बाबतींत हांगा आमी आयल्या हे प्लांटाचेर निशेध करपाक सरकारा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करपाक की बाबा येसले प्लांट तुमी हाडनाका. 39 villages and 3 municipalities are going to bring their waste here, which is not a simple thing. 10 trucks per hour will be the capacity, which will be detrimental for all the villages in the surrounding area. की एका वराक 10 तर ट्रक येतले. तुम्ही मडगांव पावले आसतले. उदाहरण दिता, जेन्ना पळय एक ट्रक तरी वेस्ट घेवन वयता जाल्यार तो एक ट्रक पास जाय जाल्यार कितलो टायमूच तेचे ट्रकाची असली घाण आसता की इट इज बिकमिंग व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर पीपल टू imagine what is going to happen to this plant when they are coming to all these routes of the villages. म्हणजे सालिगांव तर प्लांटान वचत ते उदाहरण दिता गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट की वन ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ द प्लांट तुमीच वचून पळया. आय हॅव सीन विथ माय ओन आयज. इट इज रन बाय हिंदुस्तान वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट. त्या रोटार तरी सकल पिल्लेर सर्कलाचेर साकून तूं तर वयर वचत जाल्यार तुका दिसता कसलो डिजास्टर आसा तो. की सालमोना स्प्रिंग्स वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्प्रिंग्स इन द नॉर्थ गोवा. इट इज डिस्ट्रॉयड टुडे बाय दीस प्लांट. तुमी वचून थंय म्हायती काडा, तुमकां सगळें फॅक्ट्स मेळटलें आनी तेन्ना तुमकां कळटलें 250 कॅपॅसिटी प्लांट हांगा तर जायत जाल्यार कसलो डिजास्टर जावपाचो आहा. बिकॉज दीस इज अ व्हेरी फ्रेजायल प्लॅट्यू. कारण हाडप न्ही हांगा कित्याक स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट प्लांट म्हणटा तुमी, बट आमकां खबर आसा असले स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट तुमी खंय खंय स्ट्रक्चर्स घातलेले आसा, खंय खंय सुविधा घातलेली आसा, तांची स्टेट आयज कितें आहा ती आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. म्हणटकीर हे बाबतींत लास्ट इयर 2022-23 एक आमचे स्थानीक लोकांचें एक डेलिगेशन गेल्लें आमच्या स्थानीक आमदाराक मेळपाक. ताणें त्या टायमार सांगलें की आपूण पावरान ना म्हणून. आनी तेन्ना ताणें विशय मांडलो एसेंब्लीन आनी सांगलें की आय वील लूक इन टू दीस म्हणून. आयज म्हाका दिसता की सगळे यंत्रणा तुज्या लागीं आसा. यू आर द इन्वायरमेंट मिनिस्टर. ऑल टूल्स आर देर विथ यू. पीपल आर लुकींग एट यू विथ एक्सपेक्टेशन. तुका आमी सांगपाची आनी गरज ना कित्याक यू नो एवरीथींग. तर हे बाबतींत आनीकूय आमचे माहिती दिवपाक अरविंद आसा. बाय जारी.
We have been pursuing this from the time they had proposed it even 2.5 years back, and right now last week when there was a press note, we have got aware of how things are moving, and for that the constituents of Nuve constituency in the recent press release from the Goa Appraisal Committee putting clearance for the solid waste management plant at Verna on hold is a perfect case study of how government and its agencies operate in an ad hoc manner, showing scant respect to the law and due processes that are mandatory. It is interesting that GSEAC has instructed the project proponent, that is Solid Waste Management Corporation, to conduct new public hearings and collect community inputs. This is the community that stays in the periphery of this plateau. When no public hearing has been actually held so far on ground truthing conducted, if it had, then it would have been clear that the plant was being set up on a huge aquifer and is the origin of various springs that feed the Amblur Lake, which is a straight point of River Sal, starting point of River Sal, which runs through entire South Goa right up to Betur. It would have been noticed that the plant was being set up a mere 350 meters from human habitation, Lokvasti Asa, and nestling close to a number of pharma companies. In this industrial estate, there are so many pharma companies. We depend on water, and this big project is coming in close vicinity to them. It is also strange that GSEAC has not questioned the cut-paste copy project report which is submitted by the project proponent, giving totally false details, misleading and inaccurate information. Despite constituents of Nuve constituency bringing it to their notice, we have called upon them with a delegation and impressed upon them about the facts and scientific repercussions of it. For instance, the distance between Malasa temple has been located at 10.7 kilometers when it is just 2.2 kilometers. So this is a false information. The actual distance in reality is not really given and it is misleading. There is also a chapel standing 239 meters from the site, from there to here, of the proposed plant. Does the government of Goa believe that venerated religious structures deserve to coexist chick by jowl to a garbage plant?
Well, besides submitting documents with false information, the GWMC has clearly shown through the mismanagement of the Saligaon waste management plant that it is totally incapable of doing its job in managing the project without creating nuisance and dangerous health and environment conditions to the surrounding area and its luckless residents. This is not just being said by us, but this is after having gone and visited the plant and seen the functioning. Hence, under no circumstance can it be permitted to replicate this disaster on an ecologically fragile and environmentally rich Verna plateau. It is a fact that, like the Goa Waste Management Corporation, all the concerned government agencies have shown their incapability or unwillingness and total unresponsiveness to public complaints. Their failure to perform their respective duties is utterly shamefully and distressing. In this regard, special mention needs to be made of GIDC, which has distinguished itself through its chaotic mismanagement of the Verna Industrial Estate. The Goa State Pollution Control Board wins close second place thanks to its total abdication of duty in monitoring the pollution levels of the factories in Verna Industrial Estate. In the light of the government's unwillingness to abide by the laws and due processes put in for a definite purpose, we, the constituents of Nuve constituency, will under no circumstances permit this contentious project detrimental to the health and well-being of the ecology of the villages and their people to be foisted in their midst. This project is not going to be accepted in this location, which is just to my left here. If you can focus that side, you can see the area where the project is coming. So in no ways. Are all of y'all with us in this? You all want the plant, yes or no? No. Exactly. This is the people speaking, not we speaking.
Can I ask a question? No, will Sansora be transferred here?
Yes.
This is what we feel. It's all a real estate bungle.
साइड बदली एक डेलिगेशन घेऊन गेल्ले ही इज फुल्ली अवेअर ऑफ द circumstances and the concerns expressed by the citizens and the residents and the constituents of this constituency. We will have a discussion. आनीक ताणे एक आश्वासन दिल्ले आणि डिस्कशनान तो पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लो असेंब्लीन, सो ही इज फुल्ली अवेअर वॉट ही हॅज टू डू.
दुसरो प्रश्न, समज आतां सरकार मुखार गेलो हे प्लेसीर तो प्रोजेक्ट हाडपाक, वॉट वूड बी द फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन?
We will cross the bridge once when it comes. 39 villages are going to come with their waste. And there are court directives. I need to give you small examples. There are a couple of panchayats which are breaking down their own wet waste into organic waste, and they are doing a very fantastic job. म्हाका दिसना की असले सेंट्रलाइज सिस्टम हाडून सगळ्यांचीच वाट लावपाची गरज आसा. The process is going from 2022.
How many representation in past?
Representations are given to the concerned departments earlier, and even last year the representations were given.
No heat. Nobody here.
No.
So far,
There's no
it's
response
only
that has come
eyewash.
from any of the departments till now.
So the whole village, panchayat body and everybody is against, except for the MLA.
All panchayats have given resolutions.
Resolutions are.
All passed.
Village, all the 6
See
Gram
this-
Sabha resolutions are taken.
Nuve, Verna, Nagwa,
The
Chelosi,
surrounding
Lotoli,
Village Gram
all have
Sabhas have
passed.
taken a decision as no to the plant. We have also gone with our representation to the CM's office and then Environment Minister Michael Lobo. We've also gone that time, but there's been no response, no.
No, he was solid waste management.
Yes,
Yeah.
Minister
And he said if we don't want it,
This
we will not
project
have
is
it.
done by Solid Waste Management Corporation.
Goa Waste Management Corporation.
Yeah, so now Babush Monserrat is the minister. Have you met anybody?
We will
What was his reply?
No, we will
He
remind
told us,
again.
He told us that we have to go and see Mr. Levinson Martins, who was the MD of the waste management. we had an interaction with Mr. Levinson Martins, and then after the interaction, we got all documents under RTI, which are on record with us, and based on that, we have also approached the other authorities who had assured us that they will look into the matter. But till today, nothing has happened.
So you all have objection with the location, or it can be shifted anywhere else?
See, the main issue here is groundwater. Wars will be fought on water in the future. If our groundwater is contaminated, that's the end of the story. I am the petitioner in the High Court regarding groundwater in the Verna Industrial Estate. And I have identified 196 bore wells which were being overexploited. And I had given 23 suggestions to the court and to the government, which has been accepted. Now, if this water, the leachate, seeps into the ground, what is going to be the state of the deep aquifer, which recharges every 5 years? The deep aquifer, that is from 60 to 100 meters deep, takes 5 years. This rain that is raining this year will take 5 years to seep into the ground. And most of the industries, especially the pharma industries in the Verna Industrial Estate, are taking water from the deep aquifer, including water bottling industries which are existing here. So this will be detrimental to our life, and our main important thing is the water which is in the house, in the ground, which we are drinking. Till today, there might be taps in the villages, but we are depending on well water. So if you are going to destroy our well water, for whom? This land was acquired for what? It was for the purpose that we also benefit. We are equal partners here. The industries are coming, but villages also have to be protected. This was the duty of the industrial estate and the pollution control board to protect us. They are having their own agenda. This land was given to SEZs by the IDC. We villagers from Nuve constituency went and fought and got this land, 26 lakh square meters. We went up to the Supreme Court and got this stopped, and the land came back to IDC. We expected this land to be used by our local villagers or local Goans to start their industries here. What is happening? Garbage plant? Some other big projects? For what is this land? This was our land. And what we are getting in return is migrants
And garbage.
and garbage. Is it acceptable?
Becoming another
We are going to object tooth and nail. There will be no waste management plant here.
John Bob, what's your suggestion to the government?
Suggestion is, already everybody has got a MRF plant in each of the villages. Okay? Also, through some arrangement, the government should ask for wet waste management to be incorporated in the MRF. Each village should take care of its own garbage. Secondly, Sosro is available. Sosro is there. Why Sosro garbage has to come to Verna?
Yes. Right.
Why Murmugaon garbage has to come to Verna? Money is collected in the form of commercial taxis in Murmugaon, and we are going to get the garbage in Verna?
Right.
Huh?
Also,
So at our cost. Secondly, there is the tunnel zone. I don't know, maybe
Funnel.
tunnel zone. Okay, maybe now, as you know in the news, MOPA. I'm also the petitioner, Susev Daboli, in the High Court. MOPA. Maybe they knew that this is everything is going to go to MOPA. That's why they brought this plant. This is in the funnel zone. One jet had fallen somewhere very close here. Right?
So the naval people also are at risk.
You can say no means no at no cost.
And this agitation is going to increase, or
We have taken a lot of agitation to its conclusion.
When the time is, when the time.
We have taken all this, lots of this agitation to its final conclusion. And this is for our survival. We will not leave this to go. So, at no cost.
Directive from High Court is there that every village has to have their own waste management setup. Some villages have done. Some of the villages which have not done have been fined. So what I would say is no to this plant, and whatever the expense that is going towards this plant, distribute with the villages for each panchayat to set up their own plants. That is the solution. You
But in-
can't burden one place for garbage coming from somewhere else.
But in every panchayat, this is the major problem. Everywhere, everybody is objecting. Not in my backyard.
But basically, these integrated systems should not be there because there is a ruling already that garbage should be taken care at source. So why this type of mega projects have been proposed by any government? It should not come anywhere in Goa.
Seeing
It should be
Panchayat level.
completely scrapped.
Now they are having a public hearing. So this is a kind of a preemptive kind of a thing to tell the government what you are doing is basically wrong and will not be acceptable by the people. Okay? So this public hearing they are planning to have, the government is planning to have very soon. So when they have it, all this will be brought to their notice. But this, what you read, is in advance copy.
The point of contention is already encompassed in the brief. Let's not speculate. We'll wait for the response and then reply and let it be deliberations. We will let you know from time to time. Thank you.
There is Lotoli, Kamorli, Nuve, Verna, Nagwa, Kelosi.
And all these panchayats have taken a resolution that we don't want the plant. This is a long time. We're
See,
fighting on
the
it for a long time.
aquifer is shared by all of the villages, including Kamorli. In the EIA report, I can show
We
you
are
the
talking
EIA
of
report.
Riverside
Everything
over
is
here.
there.
That side is going into Zuari.
तुमचे किती म्हणणे हा हे जे प्रोटेक्शन
आमचे प्रोटेक्टाचे एक्चुअली गार्बेज प्लांट ना काही ना तेका जायत डिस्ट्रॉय जावपा आहा आनी थिंगा लोकांनी उरयलां ही भाशेन डिस्ट्रॉय जावपाक डिस्ट्रॉय जावपाचेंच म्हणल्यार हे कोमदादीचे इतुले जागे दोन न्हू हो एक कोमदाद ते लोटोली कोत्ते कितें पयलीं आमगेलो सिकेर बाबा न्हू हे चोय थिंगा 100 मेत्र जाग दिल्ले 200 लोकां आनी जायत लोक खुशाल आहलो हे कोण पडय कोमदादी मनीस आहाय तेणी सांगूंक लागले 100 मेत्रांनी लोटले जागो रावोंक जायना मू लोकां सो लोकां जायना जाल्यार तुमकां हे जवळ फास्ट जागा आहा जाल्यार तुमी त्या लोकांक दियाय मरे तुमी कोणा दवरताय तो जागो कोणा आहा बागो तुमी हिंगून दवरताय दिल्ली पार्टी हिंगून दवरताय जागो मागीर येतून ते गोरमेंट आसून एक एक काडटा ते जाग उरली म्हणटरी हे जाग जर लोडले काय दिलो जाल्यार हिंग येची नासलोली फॅक्टरी लोटले काय कितू आहा कित्या जाग नासले एक एक जाणां 4-4 5-5 भाव आहाय तांकां तुमी घर घालून लुगार ना आनी सिकेरान पयलीं दिल्ले 100 मेत्र लुगार दिल्ले 200-300 दोना म्हळ्यार तेणी सांगिलां 100 मेत्र खंय गोंयकार रावनाय तांकां जाग्यार रावपा जायना मागीर तुमकां जागा आहा जर कोमदादीचो तुमी तो दियाय मरे तो कित्याक दवरलो जागो मागीर अशें करून जाग उरलो म्हणटरी मागीर गोवोरमेंट कपच्या घेता गोवोरमेंटचे ब्लेम करूंक जायना आनी हो जाग तो दिलो लोकांक हिंग ती फॅक्टरी पावपा न्ही